Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Get ready to elevate your Land Rover Defender 130 to a whole new level of style and performance with Urban Automotive's latest masterpiece. Introducing the Urban Widetrack package, a bespoke styling program designed to enhance your Defender's aesthetic appeal and on-road presence. The extended Widetrack wheel arch set and WX4 Ballistic wheels, available in 20 or 22-inch diameter, redefine your Defender's stance, giving it a distinctive and commanding look. Experience the thrill of the road with the XRS lightweight vented carbon fiber bonnet and the optional bar bumper, adding a touch of rugged sophistication to your Defender. Crafted with precision and passion, every element of the Urban Widetrack kit is designed in-house by our expert team, led by founder Simon Dern. Our OEM Plus mantra ensures seamless integration with the original manufacturer's design. Proudly made in the UK, Urban Automotive leverages a highly skilled team and extensive carbon fiber expertise. We manufacture all carbon fiber in-house, using only the finest materials for a premium finish that meets the factory standard. Your Defender, your style. Urban Automotive offers comprehensive personalization options, allowing you to tailor your vehicle to your individual requirements. Transform your Land Rover Defender 130 with the Urban Widetrack package, starting from £15,549. Unleash the extraordinary and make a statement on every journey. Urban Automotive, where innovation meets elegance. Contact us today to elevate your driving experience.